Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Truck Motorhome's appearance combines the luxury and practicality of a high-end motorhome with the durability and strength of a commercial truck. The Mercedes-Benz truck's sturdy foundation, with lines that have been strengthened for better aerodynamics. Mercedes-Benz large, recognizable front grille features cutting-edge LED headlights. Body form intended to increase fuel economy and decrease wind resistance. Lots of outside storage space for equipment and tools. Awnings that automatically stretch to create outdoor living area. On difficult terrain, the vehicle may be leveled with hydraulic supports. Off-grid electricity is provided by an integrated solar power system on the roof. Excellent lighting is produced by matrix LED lights. Extra illumination around the motorhome, and for safety, there will be ample space to design a cozy and adaptable living area because this is a motorhome truck. Owners will be able to customize the inside to meet their demands because to the layout's flexibility. A cutting-edge entertainment system with an internet connection, surround sound, and a flat-screen TV, faster and more dependable Wi-Fi and 5G connections. Appliances, lights, and temperature may all be controlled using home automation systems. All house and car operations are controlled by touchscreens. Sophisticated technologies for networking and navigation, connection to more smart gadgets. Modern amenities including a convection oven, full-size refrigerator, dishwasher, and induction cooktop are all part of the fully furnished kitchen. Countertops composed of high-end materials like quartz or granite. Cozy seats and couches composed of high-end materials, including leather. King-size bed with a top-notch mattress. Temperature control and ambient lighting to provide a peaceful sleeping space. Lots of room to store clothing, equipment, and other essentials. Effective and clever storage options to make the most of available space. Mercedes-Benz diesel engines are renowned for their dependability and strength. A strong diesel engine is necessary for a truck motorhome in order to propel this big, heavy vehicle, particularly across difficult terrain. Most likely, a Mercedes-Benz OM471 or OM473 engine version is being employed. The longevity, high torque, and fuel economy of these engines are well known. It's likely to include features like turbocharging, common rail fuel injection, and sophisticated emissions control systems.